Okay, now that's done, let's open it and look. See if we need to go any further. We take it off and see there's a couple of scratches, but you seen how bad it was when I did it. And now you see it now.
Put them all back.
Ooh, where's the illusion? Let me see how it is now. Okay, let me get over here to the DVD player or CD player, and I will be right back. Okay. Okay, now that we're over here at the CD player, point it. You can see it is the same disc. Okay. Let's eject. Insert our disc. Close our disc. You can see here, disc number 1. Reading the disc. Okay, dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Uh-oh, what we got? Sounds like it's playing.
When the good luck star is green, your favorite color. No. No. Stop. Stop. Green.
Yes, sir. So it worked.
Stop.
Wonderful job. Okay, well, I'm gonna take it out.
I got one more.
And I'm gonna go back over here and talk to you about it at my desk.
Oh, my baby giant.
Alright, now I'm back at my desk. There is still a scratch, pretty deep scratch on it, which I put my foot on it and scraped it across a concrete floor. And for it to come in and play like it did after using the JfJ Easy Pro repair machine, that's freaking amazing. I know I spend a lot of money on Xbox games and things like that, and if you have a big collection of Xbox games and your little cousin or your daughter or your son or whoever gets in there and messes with your games and decides to play frisbee with them or whatever, this is a wonderful investment. You can get it. I bought mine off of eBay for like $140. Everything to do like 50 discs came with it. I've done all my games, Xbox games, and as long as the surface right here is not damaged or scratched or anything, as long as it's the backside, the plastic, it can be fixed as long as this side is not damaged. It could be the most minute scratch and it will affect it working. But that's what I have for today. Look forward to a lot more other things coming. Until next time, peace, vape, and love. Peace out.